Hello everyone, and welcome back to Adam Inca, your go-to channel for enhancing your skills and boosting your productivity. Today, we're going to unravel the art of setting goals. Not just any goals though, but smart ones. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone simply looking to improve your life, this video is your first step towards success. Let's kick off with the basics. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This criteria can transform a vague wish into a clear and attainable objective. So, how do we apply this? Imagine your goal is to get fitter. That's a good start, but it's a bit woolly, isn't it? Let's use SMART to refine it. Specific goals have a clear target. Instead of saying, I want to get fitter, specify what fit means to you. Perhaps it's running 5 kilometers without stopping. A measurable goal allows you to track progress. In our running example, you could aim to shorten your run time each week. An achievable goal is realistic. It's grand to aim high, but if you've never run before, maybe don't start with a marathon. Ensure your goal is relevant to your values and long-term objectives. If improving endurance is important to you, running is spot on. Finally, a time-bound goal has a deadline, giving you a time frame to work within. Perhaps you're aiming for that 5k run in 3 months' time. Setting your SMART goal is just the start. Achieving it is the real peach. It's about making consistent progress and staying motivated. Create a plan with small steps leading to your larger goal. If it's running, start with brisk walking, then jogging, and gradually increase your pace. Keep a record of your progress. Use an app, a diary, or a chart. Whatever tickles your fancy. Reward yourself for small victories. Ran your first kilometre? Treat yourself to a nice cuppa, or your favourite snack. If you hit a snag, recalibrate your goals. Flexibility is the key to not getting your knickers in a twist. Remember, setting a SMART goal is like plotting a course on a map. It gives you direction and keeps you on track, but you still need to take the steps to reach your destination. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What SMART goals are you going to set? Jot them down in the comments below and let's cheer each other on. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips from Adam Inca. Cheerio, and here's to achieving your goals.